In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to make a customer inactive or deleted. If you're cleaning up your customer list in QuickBooks Online, making a customer inactive is a simple way to remove them from your active records without losing their past transaction history. This is especially useful if you no longer do business with a customer or if your list has old entries you want to hide and organize more clearly. Let's start from the customer list. On the left-hand menu, go to All Apps, then select Customer Hub and choose Customers and Leads. This will open the full list of your customers. From here, find the customer you want to remove from your active list. In that Customers row, click the drop-down arrow next to Create Invoice, or in some cases, click the Edit button. From the menu that appears, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the action, so click Yes, Make Inactive. Once you do that, the customer will no longer appear as active in your main list. Another way to do this is directly from the customer profile. While you're still in Customers and Leads, click the customer's name to open their profile page. This is helpful if you want to review the customer details before making any changes. In the top right corner, click Edit. That opens the customer's edit window. At the bottom of that window, select Make Inactive, then confirm by clicking Yes, Make Inactive. This method is useful when you're already viewing a specific customer and want to update their status without going back to the main list. If you need to clean up several customers at once, QuickBooks also gives you a batch action option. Stay in Customers and Leads, then place a checkmark in the box beside each customer name you want to make inactive. After selecting the customers, go to the Batch Actions drop-down menu at the top of the list and choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm, so click Yes, Make Inactive. This is the fastest option when you're working through a long list and want to save time. As a final tip, remember that making a customer inactive does not erase their historical activity. It simply removes them from your active working list, which helps keep your records cleaner and easier to manage. That's how to make a customer inactive in QuickBooks Online, whether you're updating one customer at a time or several in bulk.